Jeff and I are going for a ride to the beach, and he's racing. Anyway, look at this. Nice environment. Any idea what those birds were?
Vultures, yeah.
Oh, they're vultures.
Yeah, that's why I said they're waiting for us to become road.
All right. Don't jinx us. Wow, look at those trees. I wonder what they are. Pretty cool, isn't it? Here we go, he's on race mode again.
Okay.
He's on race mode again.
My muscles are all trained for road bikes.
Uh-huh. Look at this bamboo. Wow. Well, unfortunately the beach is closed because of rough seas apparently, but she's let us in anyway just to go and have a look. So it could be at least interesting. I was hoping to fly the drone, but it might even be a bit windy to fly the drone. We will see. Wow, how cool is this? We've travelled inland, and then I'm guessing we have travelled west. But yeah, pretty cool. Lots of bamboo. I'm going to have a try and have a fly of the drone. Wow, what a cool little spot. Really cool.
Yeah, we're here. You have these here, probably that. Yep. And then you go further, you have that. Mm-hmm. Yep.
You keep going, you should.
Yep. And then if you, so what we're looking at, if we zoom out, right? Over here, the way over there, the shadow would be here. Okay. That part of Venezuela. And then of course, if we were to come down along the shoreline, you would drop down right through here and come around to Chaguamaris over here, which is where Peak is, where our boats are. Yeah.
What part of Venezuela is that?
It's Peñas.
Peñas?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's very, very
People
similar.
usually ask you what name
So that's Venezuela in the distance there. How cool is that?